Hey, my name's Morrison
and I'm Logan Cegielski.
and we've been working on this tractor for almost 2 years. We're part of the Park FFA, and I first got into the FFA my freshman year, and I've been involved with it all the way up until this point.
Same with me. I've been involved in FFA since my freshman year. Been an officer for the past 2 years, and
How long have you been working on this project, and what progress has been made?
so we've been working on this project for going on 2 full years now. We started it at the middle, towards the beginning of our junior year last year, and we've been working on it all last year and all this year at this point. So the progress we've made is, you can see we took it all apart, stripped all the internals out, and cleaned it, took all the old paint and rust off, and repainted it, and are in the process of assembling it back together.
Yeah, basically just what he said. We took apart the motor because Kubota came to us and they were like, "Hey, just do a cosmetic restoration." I was like, "Oh, dude, what if we got it running again?" So we just started taking everything apart. We took off the block, we took off the radiator, took apart the gas tank.
Do y'all have a message for Lansdowne-Moody?
Lansdowne-Moody, thank you so much for giving us this project. There's definitely a lot of work and definitely a big project. I know for a fact, and I know y'all probably know this, that us two we weren't the only ones working on this. It was a team effort from Park FFA. And once again, I just want to say thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to restore this tractor.